everyone. Good morning to everyone. This is my day 3 of following Rijata Divakar tips or Rijata Divakar weight loss plan. I woke up at 8 o'clock and I had my daily taken medicine. And right now I'm waiting to take breakfast. And please apologize for this bare skin. I just woke up right now. And if you're someone, what are you are eating? And do let me know in the comment box what are the things that you have been taking daily basis in the morning breakfast. And you all on I will share my breakfast what I am eating, and if you to show what are the things that you are eating and I would like to incorporate in my daily routine. Let's meet on breakfast, guys. Hi guys, this is my first meal. I'm having dosa with some tomato pickle. For the fats, I'm having 2 teaspoons of ghee, and I even had coffee. That's my first meal of the day. Let's meet on second meal. And I'm having dal with some green leaf vegetables. That's it as of now. Hi everybody, good afternoon. And right now this is currently 2 o'clock. I'm having my lunch. Right now I'm having. Let me show you what I am having. This is some dal and some rice. And having for protein, I'm taking chicken and banana fry, and with some papad. And do let me know, guys, what you are eating for the lunch. And regarding my setup, just now I filmed a Instagram reel. If you are interested, you can please check out my Instagram reels. I will link down everything in the description. And do let me know what are the things that you are eating that that makes us healthy, any healthy food or anything what might be, and please let me know. And I'm ending this video right now, and we will just meet in snacks or any mid snack kind of thing by next meal. So meet let's meet on another time, guys. This is the currently 7:30 and I'm having my dinner, and I'm having dal which was prepared by morning. And I'll end this video right now. And totally today I take around 2 to 3 liters of water. That's it, more than that I haven't take. Coming to my activity levels, I haven't did anything until now. Maybe I will do it right now, and then I will freshen up, and I will do things that I would like to do. So please, guys, whatever what you did on from since morning to evening, please make sure to do anything. Give time for yourself. This is one of the tip that I would really want to share it with you. Give time for yourself. Do anything that you feel like to do. You feel happy and you feel, oh yeah, I did today for myself. That's really great. And please apologize for this sweat, guys. And that's it, guys, from my end. Have a good sleep, stress free sleep. And if you guys want to share me anything, if you guys want to leave any comments, if you guys want to do share anything that really helpful for us or anyone whomever watching this video, please share it in the comment box. And if you feel my video creates little bit motivation to you, so please hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family, whomever watching this video, whomever on weight loss diet, whomever feels a little bit demotivated or everything. So please share it everything to your friends and family. Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ramya Taniru. You're watching Ramya Taniru. Thank you for love showing towards my previous video. And today it's day 4 currently. I woke up at around 8:30. I have taken my medicines and I'm waiting to drink a few glasses of water, and then I'll directly step on to breakfast. Stay tuned to continue this video, guys. Hope you all are having a great day today. Good morning, everybody. And welcome back, guys. And this is currently 9:30. I taken water, 2 glasses of water, and that's it. Now I'm directly stepping into breakfast. In breakfast, I'm having dosa. Let me show you what I am having. What's your favorite breakfast, and what are the things that you are eating? in morning on breakfast. Either you are eating paratha or you are having poha, idli, or are you having eggs, or you're having shake, or you're having smoothies, whatever what might be. And do let me know what's your favorite breakfast. And are you a dosa lover? Since I think you are not seeing dosa every day on my channel. In my home, dosa is a must. Since my mom has to prepare everything so soon, she has to rush to office. So for her, dosa will be very fast, so that she can prepare it so soon. And do let me know what's your food, and how are you are you preparing for yourself, or you someone is preparing for you. Do let me know, and we will meet on my next meal. Hi everyone, welcome back again. And it's currently 7:30 p.m. and I'm having dosa with some tomato pickle. Along with that, as fats, I'm having ghee, and that's it for today. Coming to my activity levels, today I haven't did any activity as of now. Maybe I could do, or maybe I couldn't. But it's a bad habit according to me. Make sure you have to move yourself. And one of the tip which was written, and according to Ruchita ma'am, which was written on her book, we have to move for every 1 hour. At least we have to move for a minute or 2 minutes. We have to walk. Either you are a working woman, or you are a business woman, or you are, even though you are staying at home doing nothing, nothing is like work. We have to walk, we have to move ourselves, and that's the tip that she was written, and I'm following since 1 month. The tip, either I haven't done Rijita ma'am diet plan, but I'm following few tips. One of the tip is moving every 15 minutes. That's the tip that really helped me, even though I haven't did any exercise, but still I lose weight. So please follow this. Try to move and try to be productive and try to be active throughout the day. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you want to share anything, always love to share, always love to read those comments. Please share your comments. If you feel that my video creates motivation, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends on social media, and please follow me on my social media platforms. I linked on everything in the discussion box. Thank you for this video. As of now, we will meet on the next day. Bye bye.